I would say this phone works with 95% of apps. It's a rough ballpark estimate. So it works with a lot of apps. The only apps it doesn't work with are graphic intensive 3D games. So if you're playing something like Subway Surfers, I don't know, even know if they have that
Yeah.
on Android. But if you're playing something like that, because this phone has lower level security requirements, it's erasing its memory constantly, that those games may not work. So 3D games are a big one. There's also specific banking apps that don't like not having Google services installed. And then, of course, there's the apps that like YouTube or Gmail or Google Drive, which at first it's like you think that you're not going to be able to use them at all. But really, you can install Google services if you want. It's just not on by default. So you can go here, install Google services. Then a lot of those apps that rely on Google services will work.
Okay. From the Efani perspective, we already know the above phone works. We know it works great because in terms of secure phones on the Efani mobile service, it's the number one secure phone that we have in terms of the number of users. And that's not the only reason why I like above. The other reason I like your organization is because you actually have support. This upfront time where you can get some time with the above staff to understand like how to set up your phone, and you're probably covering things like how to update the operating system. Can you speak a little bit about that? Because I think that's one of the things that makes you
Yeah.
different than all these other GrapheneOS providers, where it's like you can buy the phone, but your support is basically this forum where you have to go and type and hope somebody in the forum gives you an answer.
Yeah, and part of that is, we've been spoiled by how easy big tech is. I would say that this phone is actually fairly easy as well, but you have to learn the new mental model. And so we do our best to make that easier. With every device you buy, whether it's a phone or a laptop, you get a free 45-minute call, just like this. Like Mark and I are sitting here. You can. We have real life people on the call. It's not AI.